Okay, novi nukbalao, todolao, afek blek besia, meduk benami. Afisi afie kemile, lenkonye sema, miawezova, Dunenyo Borborbor, plenya jojo na oji, egbe memenda, ekenye August pe inkekebla vevonele ale pakpe vekebla vevone ineniele todola over all over the across the world. I say good evening and good evening namikata miawezo. Ameyo la America nyigbaji maglobe good afternoon nami mikata miawezo va Dunenyo Borborbor plenya jojo na oji egbe abeleke mienya authentic mama emefa ye yade bema called Dunenyo Borborbor baklen nyajojo na avename tafisi afi kemi le mianko century le miakpom le siana YouTube page aji ha. Thank you so much for your time and for tuning in. Maybe you just share the links to your friends, your families, invite them to also join and watch this authentic show. Mikata miaweso Oyombe authentic mama MFA Nile live le top radio 103.1 FM Papa Lauji top radio 103.1 FM le Ghana to come Nile live le Siena YouTube page le YouTube page aji Nenmake Nile live le Top FM online on YouTube Top FM online on YouTube le afisi afi Nenema Miele radio haji le 103.1 avant la oji. Me on live if you like the authentic mama fan page also on Facebook. Very soon, me on live the authentic mama fan page on Facebook as well. Me katan me away over egbe pe Dunenyo Borborbor show. Ple authentic mama me away so. Ke maje go me abeleke me sia ple Borborbor maka podeka Egbamana na nyabe lineup is very heavy. Me line up a lot of activities and interviews for you. So you can't afford to miss the show today. So just invite a friend to invite a friend and let them know Authentic Mama is live, and across the world we are live on YouTube, Sienna YouTube page, and also Top FM Online YouTube page, and also on Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Mikata mi share, mi like, mi follow, then mi akpo egbefe line up powder. Mana na nye be egba line up along megbanto eke ma phone play as interview na enye mia eviope habobo ile America ochon konak de kobe siana Every Association, Council of Every Association of North America. Ope Zimenola, hello, President. He will be the first person I'll be talking to or interviewing this evening. And Megba, other interviews, Gbogbo may have interested personalities, Ado, in Ghana and outside Ghana, in America and Ghana. I lined them up for you all. So don't go anywhere. The show promised to be the best so far in 2024 because everywhere, all over across the world, they are all on YouTube page, Sienna YouTube page, and also Top FM YouTube page. So once again, let's take the music. Nemia Ajewana Gome. Yo novi todolao nukbolao ejodina muntobe ewode kaklemi fienya le Dunenyo Borborbor show pelenya jojoro na oji ke aleke meglena odongwa egba interview so subo le program aji yata medota flache be miakwenam nene odona alobuna bebe ne bevie dodo hia fomewo melio egba henu subole miasita menye gasiaga memia po hanami miadu kakakao ewududu aloha popua avanami lenu yata mihwenami sia akpenao ke miayiji miafe zimenola amenye president alo zimenola na siana nyano vi yonye evieo yocho Ghana yocho Togo yocho Benin plan Nigeria yo wodeka abe habobo ga ene le America North America Canada le US lenkudo afejin yo katanyi odu na zade ocho nkona besiana enye ekapofo ade efe ya meton ha ka jegome eye alo edoji ekenye nesriko eya tamem ya si opo zimenola be waba akanya tanami nuka egboji igbele North America akpaka e wona anojile nuka egbo jojoge mekapuku pemule en eya plede kavado ne wana mia ganato bla mesame kele he me pa kwasi akpa anya no ekegboji no gbe ncho ekenye next week from Thursday a yata minama dojana Dr. Chachu Nyamadi. Doc, wezo.
Yo, Otatik Mama, Mezorango, Mkwanya Sama.
Bada kwe.
Okay.
Lekenye America pakpa kaene le fifi life ele no konami life le authentic mama show laji.
Yo, Nyasala Kolokata Mele, North Carolina, southeastern part of US.
Okay.
Close to Georgia. Oyonebe, North Carolina. Gake Duyamala Charlotte. Family Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay. Fifi ya miape zimenolana eviope hapo full America ebele miakom live to Charlotte, North America. Akpe. Ejo jinami be ewomon popo yang tido be yanomia dome le kaji plemi le authentic mama show yaji. Kema bia be enu itamye ko venye be mie sebe miao abe hapo full ene la America. Wona gande le miasimi wona ages desi ade ya ape ya me ha ekaleji nuka egbojojogbe agesi ya bekagbe nuka
Yo otaki mama kwe yo nyasala kwe nkpolo kata abe lemisena mie evevio le USA kple Canada mie wo ɖeka mie ru habɔbɔ ɖe edu ɖe sia na mie wo ɖeka abe habɔbɔwo katã wɔme blave ye mi katã mie no xexi ɖeka te yɔna be siana Council of Association of America abale onteti mama gbe na mi ne ta eƒe siaƒua mi dona go mi katã mia dogo afie ɖe sia ɖe gake dzinu ɖe sia ɖe ame tsatsawo dona go le mɔ dzi gake ƒe siaƒua mi dogo na le August ending ta ƒe ya ma eɖo Colorado nye state city ya mi nye Loveland ta mia dogo tso kɔsiɖa gɔmedzego na ƒe yawuragbe keke va se ɖe adzoragbe yi ta mia me sia me kpe eʋeviwo katã le xexea me katã xɔ mi katã mia dogo le Loveland Colorado ale be ne mi dogoa ŋu ɖeka mi wɔna ke nye be mia mi le aƒo miawo le aƒe mi le aƒe mi nya lo dzɔne etsɔ ke eyi nɔviwo gbɔ nɔviwo va gbɔ nɔviwo ebe aɖe evia aɖevia ɖe go alo de school alo etsɔ dzɔ ɖe dzi taflatse mi katã mi wɔna ŋu aƒe ke mia mewo yo le mi le aƒe mi gblɔgblɔ be okay mi le aƒe gaka eʋeviwo mi nye enia mi wɔna mia ta wo le edu ya me ta eƒe taɖodzi koe ta eƒe siaƒa mi dona go ale be mia viwo mia tɔwo katã mi dona go edzrona miaƒe dekɔnuwo me ewɔna ɖeka ŋu ɖeka mi ga wɔna vevie ko nye be mi ɖo ŋku aƒe dzi elabe mi katã egbedzi mi le gbe ɖeka mia trɔ va aƒe menye ame sia ame avɔ gake mia trɔ va aƒe ke nu ke miawɔ akpe ɖe miaƒe aƒe dukɔ ŋu mi ta ko mi dona go ɖo ta enyawo li mi gbɔgbɔ ke masi na fia gbɔ
okay Mr. President akpena oke abeleke negbla George nambe miawe lafe miao mielegbe leke miao miedo go mianyo le ekafra ekutefeo snodefeo vidhegede go kletowa mele miagbo neneo ta miao ha nkeke tɔxɛ aɖe le ye mi katã mi tan do ago abe amedekawoe ne ta fifi la ya elena na mi le nya be wɔnama ye mi kɔ de tome be miawo hã yewo me le aƒe mi le gbedzia mianɔ mianɔewo kpɔ at least eƒe sia ƒe ne miada asi asime ne mianɔewo aɖo ŋku aƒe afi mietso hafi va ɖo dukɔ bubu me hã dzi ta eya ye mi ƒe azã mi ɖuna August de sia de menye nena ta
Ganama, yeah.
na de bene ole egomeje ye ne mie yide nu ka o mie wona ya efe ya ma me ka o pe miele ta doji kanu ele mi asi me kopete fofo na kwa
Yo, après, que après, yama, mia jegom to August. La ko yo August rebe gboma. Juni
eh
amamiele.
mm,
Fa nkeke bla vevo shekela ya ragbe.
mm,
Amashama to te pobu azo mova. Ta kene dibe ava nkeke ve pleto emeko. Mikata mi adogo. Kani mi dogo ya ragbe ma ya ragma fiema. Una camion nyebe imiele revima ido vivre miano nyongu ne mi ire school pleto. Ta mi wana no glamba old school music. Okay. Ta Thursday nevaru afima ma nya wo old school music afi abale megle ebegbeto kata donago mi ga wona no go singles night ta
okay
no nye nye naneke achuma la shiwaro no anima la shiwa
no no la so
na la shiwa ta Thursday ma mi wona ni viara mu na dogo beto ta Thursday enye amukwe zozokwe adogo no
okay
dogo afima mi wona ngwa globe old school ya machichi oko mi adu aro mi tugbaji pe de kapio ya dogo ko be akoshi aro akochu afuma emi awo ya uregbe ya gbona ke afiragbe ndia ebeduko kata le North America mi chana ame ve mi do na ofufu adebe wo tametu hakata ko ngogbe yi tas afiragbe ndi kanya obiamba Council of Representatives mi o committee afiragbe ndi kanya kane mi o kama vo ke amova richa Colorado a ngere la fuma ta mi abita cho ndokuchu gawi de kevu avasere ganem adicha agbo ke afiragbe fiema mia boazan abe hugbetutu na ha na macha manya hugbetutu mia ruzane mia pa fiawo mia mamawo awo kwacha sro ta afiragbe pa fiema enye fiawo o mia pa dekonu fazan mia wo kama afiragbe fiema ta fiawo ode anu ofe awua
achenye nyeme
eh
jono
eh
efia sika jono
anu
asigeo
anu ma afiragbe fiema ma
okay
alebe ke memory agbe
mm,
ndime kple fieme ndime tɔ ke habobo kata me gblɔ na be habobo me blave mi kata mia do wu mi kpɔ mia mi dɔ enye sia na fa vɔ ema mi kata
okay
mia adɔ wu atso se axɔ gbedodo na me tso ʋeviwo kata gbɔ abale mi lia ne mi mia nɔnɔe gbɔ ne yama ɖe gbɔ leke wɔ ado gbe na ma xɔ gbe me ma
mm,
ta memra gbe ndi ma mia xɔ gbe tso habobo kata gbɔ
okay
leke wo li wo fɔ nyuie kple tɔ afi miaƒe amekpekpe aɖewo me ŋkɔ yɔ ge ɔno mia dome aƒo na mi afi ɖe gbe ŋdi me afi ɖe gbe fi ma yenye yevo gblɔ me cocktail mia
okay
cocktail aƒo ŋu tso edɔ yiwo katã mi wɔm tso aƒe kple gbedziwo katã ŋu afi miaƒe amekpekpewo na ƒo ŋu ke eƒea me ƒe azã ɖu mie la miaƒe taɖedzi koe nye be miatu eʋe dukɔ enye miaƒe taɖedzi ŋu
okay
miatu eʋe dukɔ alo mina miatu eʋe dukɔ ta ne mi do go nenema megblɔe be ɖeviwo míekplɔna mia viwo va wo dzesi amewo míekplɔ miafo katã wo dzesi gake ŋu ɖeka wɔe nye be míekɔna miaƒe susu kple miaƒe nudzɔdzɔwo eƒona ƒu ale be míekɔna wɔ dɔ mee mele sɔ be ɔtati mava agabia be edɔkɔ mi wɔna le mɔdzi míagblɔe gake míeɖuna zã lo míekpɔ mia nɔnɔewo edo asi gake edɔ gale mi wɔna ke ɔtati kema to ɖe afia dzi míagadzi
okay abeleke wento ne nya teƒe ma bia godo be na tasi dɔ ɖeka va ɖo yiwo mi wɔ va yi kple yiwo ka gbɔ hafi ega na nya dzɔ na vavalawo kple aƒetɔ yiwo let's say the first time maybe they'll be getting ready the next time they will support you ta akpe novi nukpɔlawo nyasalawo le afi sia afi ke le ŋkɔ nye sem tsoa ele authentic mama MFA kple Dunenyo Borborbor show kɔ ŋkɔ sem eye le miakpɔm live le siana YouTube page in North America ni le transmitting so afima nenema ke le kɔnye live le Top FM online on YouTube so Ghana Nene make ele ponye live le authentic mama fan page on Facebook also. Me le transmitting la afiyo katan ele mi akosem le, and the main one yeah Top Radio 103.1. Papa Lounge ye ne le nkonye sem chuita amesia me le Ghana pakpa siakpa le nkonye sem nene make nye kike me pakpa siakpa, especially those living in North America. They are also viewing and listening and watching us live on the YouTube aji apenami nupolao babalao ameyo le ponya, give me a message, give me a thumbs up be mi le Dunenyo siana le Dunenyo le page akatanji. Let me anyabe, you are also appreciating what our people are doing outside Ghana. Omengolo ba peolo olankudo afejinami gasia game ke nya yiti doc nyatefe abeleke negbla enya sagai ke nyito me bakpo etefe zivazi to ande ke eya na nyezi ne ade nye ha me vabe makava kpo nu tefe mako yafe magble na feto wanya be o me va dunu dasia tamel le dukobu bupe aya fofo yinya fofo yi wona me kleto ka kemie leme ka kemie kalenkudo mia fe de kono afi mi cho la be ogbona be amento e pa kleko eye amade kemeko miasi fia fe de do. So you are doing so well. Ame yo katanye members of Siana, you are doing so well. Mi pochi abotana me edo kawenye edo ado yo ne mi ba do azanle ale a mi wona ye menya bo subo ye yita yo de ka ado yo mi wo koko ple yo mi be yo akawo ncho ikegbo ne mi jo gafo
Yo authentic akpe ya abale mi glone kwenye be nyape tarojin kwenye be nyakpere nyape edu kofo ma kebe nyape jiruru la pe mate wona domo ta alaben keke va yi epe ton va ya nye yire agodo la kachigbo ne to agodo ya ni anigba kwenye eto na jime adogocho eduoma yi to jim na fuchi azon ta mia vio ya dada kata no to chema ne cha yo ariyo china ta sia na mi jagbagba to bridge foot bridge are na no zonji alebe de vio no ina suku okado kwa zonji mugachi fuge pleto alaba echa na mi kwe a ofunachi ekona ore suku fi akwadara gagbama afuchi anu gagba tutu ukeka yire togodo afiaga do wagai agagbo tami jagbagba nejo nuvivi chumia to sitami to bridge gara almost $85,000 tami
wow.
ko bridge no alebe mia view mia dada watezon ayashima ayikoji pleto mugachi fugo enye do ike ni wo majiji plom amma maya mi va yede mia ede aduto mia pe nurse so pona mia togbio mia view jikata no ikoji kakete kware kemal yuno na ta oruvuchu dabala arosuga kopa afiava avakpo nurse na avakpo do yo tamie va tu te pe nurses quarters ye tu no alebe ne odo nurses ora kwa ko no duama ne na ne joza me pleto mia togbio mia view ikoji a ke mo mara ke yogechu afiara fiava ke ni efuya ma mi yire peki jake a enye mi va tu suku ko ne review mi avio la fuma ka ke mi va tu suku ko viare ba okay mi avio no suku dam ka ke suku ko huku kata editong kata kaka ta mi va tu suku ko ye e ko na mi avio mala shoba ma shama koi enye edo mi wo va yi recently va majijio ke fo ya ma mi ga to rafmo mi yi la de domain wi aso Dodome ewiaso a ele hobo machichicho hobo ta mia view de na kindergarten school alako yo kindergarten suku goma
Abojupo.
abojupo ya ye bojupo ko matum egba mia view no alebe wotonya ogula be ushangu la sio ama kanoga ke munya aro wosu bojupo shi amara kuma kwena woti hoge ta ya petraju penyebere nya fumo na the future education aro economic development the do me we are so kama mi le so ma mi ga je parliament to kuma abale ne gbe onye Ghana ka ko mi lo ku beni ani na parliament atu da gatem so como jeje ani como manya do egba edo mo mo mi le ga ka do ni over ya ali gake miewodɔ ge ɖe gake aɖe ƒe aɖe ƒe ɖe ne miedo goa meɖe ko mievuna zã aɖu vovovo kple tɔ ke miedzɔna nuzizia eƒe nuwɔnɛ mata mana link ne nakɔ ɖo ɖe mia ŋukpɔlawo ɖe
Okay.
wo projectwo miewɔ va yi miewɔ project
Okay.
akɔme blave katã ne abe wo ŋutɔ akpɔe ke ɖe ko maɖe kuku no be ɖe menye miamewo le North America koe wɔ ɖo katã miawoe ne miato be dukɔ akpe
Akpe nɔvi nukpɔlawo kple nyaselawo afi sia afi kene le miakpɔm le miankɔsema Top Radio 103.1 ƒe aʋalawo dzi miele transmitting live tso eye miele authentic mama fan page dzi le Facebook miele transmitting le afi ma hã nenema ke miele streaming le Sienna YouTube page le North America nenema ke mieka le Top FM online on YouTube ta all over eya kata megbla le miankɔsem le miakpɔm akpe na me ame yiwo le miakpɔm le miankɔsem mi na mianya be mi le miakpɔm eye mi le miankɔsem babia ɖewo li ne mieti be yewoabia miate ŋu abia fa mi na message ne miakpɔ be mi le miakpɔm okay mi le nu ƒo kple Sienna president eviawo ƒe haƒoƒo ƒe nunɔla le North America aƒetɔ yɔ be Dr. Chachu Nyamadi eya ƒe ŋkɔ sem le live ele nu ƒo tso azã ke kagbɔna alo yiwo ɖuna every year August ɖe sia ɖe ƒe ŋkeke blaeve asiekelia va se ɖe September ƒe ŋkeke atɔ̃lia so ke ebe azã ya ekadze edzi eye anɔ dzi le Colorado le Denver this year ekenye next week Thursday ko azã adze gɔme amewo tso various states le North America dukɔ mea aba ƒoƒu ɖe afi ma amewo tso Ghana gbɔna amewo tso Benin Nigeria Togo kple teƒe bubu katã UK ƒete wona menye be this year they are all coming to support wonyanye eviawo henyanye ame yiwo wotsɔ adzo le development ƒe nyawo ŋgɔ yi dɔwo be amunutɔme na ayi ŋgɔa ƒe nyawo dzi koa eya wo ƒete gbɔna ŋutsɔ authentic mama hã amenuveve wɔ be nye hã meva ɖo wo dome le North America eya ta ne le kpɔ nya mi le enu ƒom tso Jackson le New Jersey afi ma mi le gbɔ hafi miava ɖo ta Denver afi ke Sienna 2024 yike nye 31st edition anɔ le next week Thursday mi le nu ƒo kple doc aƒe ma aɖe asi le ŋua mese be eƒe ya me ƒe azã ele tɔxɛ ɖe nu yeyewo sɔŋ ɖo mi gakɔ de tome eke medzɔ kpɔ le Sienna ɖewo mese gɔme be ne azã le yiyi koa nuwo anɔ tɔtrɔ ame sia ame state ɖe sia ɖe ke host na ɖo try to do their best to impress that they are the best ya ta ne Colorado tɔwo wole trying to be the best so far menye nukunya onyo ke bo mi le mɔkpɔ be they will do their best. The next state ke ava ke nanamianya after Colorado yo ha wa step the game up. The competition ano ayin ne le state kata me ko no ano nyonyo. Nyinya ba me pepe do bo. Ghana to wa di be na yo anya be menye mia ko edune yo mia na si amocho Ghana to call alo Nigeria alo Togo pleto make away bona he de kavado edonko anamianya.
Yo, authentic akpe. Yeah, miekpe amesiame eƒe amekpɔta miekpe julawo tso Ghana kple Togo me. Eƒe yama miekpe vice president ona Baumia gake amate nu mia demo. Miekpe Mahama hã gake Mahama ŋutɔ nya election tamavɔ. Ke le ame yiwo gbɔna tso aƒea nye voter regional Dr. Lecha kple srɔ̃ ɔnu mia dome alebe MP Bedzra, Honorable Bedzra, Honorable Josh Stete, Honorable Gakpe, and Honorable Kofi Ato, one Nyaduma, Yonya Mekpechu Parliament officially bona. Gake Kema Goma Mekuparu chu Ape bona. Ye Miape Siena, Miape Megbenola le Ghana, Enye Togbi Agbelon Abutoko Evalia, Nye Anu Nyaduma. Pakle Efia Bubu, ple businessmen who kata watcho Ghana atso mia doma ke le Togo ma miaƒe prime minister of Togo miekpe gake ya edo taflatsi manu mia dom gake miekpe mayor of parliament mayor Willing Dugbache edibe ava fi gake manu gake woƒe ame eƒe peperengto aro petamanto anumie papla meyo rocho parliament ukato anumia dema ke mia abanesa mia lichaire Nigeria togbo ima mi wu afefe ya mata Nigeria to fonu no la Mr. Tisasa enye indigenous enye president of Indigenous Association of West anumia doma Mr. Tisasa anumia doma chu afuma ke chu kamadia mia doma choro chu London non London UK to for Birmingham for America paro anumia doma afi yatoro chu other part of the world meta government omu mayonga ka individual manya government mumi ona ya mashamo ke tamu nya makpokpo chu government go mama we bona ka yato businessman gere ubona onu nya duma albal mi woni ko nya wi na waiji.
Okay. So, amesia meke le miankosem le Ghana pa akpasi akpa le UK le Nigeria Togo Benin kleto yi mestena deke cho Siana nkpo wa ekema mi le nanane le nyanyabe. There is a group called Siana ekenye evio pe habobo le North America tane evio novio snow fo down le dukome ekenye America Canada lo yuke hedibe ya gede habobo ya ma mon kpɔkpɔ le si obu mɔna me sia me elabe afi menyo bo deyo enya senya tanjo nene le habobo ma ye onyo nena de joa wati yo me na o nyakpona eye o ha o pe wona no wo me be amonotoma na keketa no na tro no na nyomia vio school the day ni die cha ever going down your globe our education level in the voter registry those days compared to now there is a difference amebu bo over le hall le miasi yele megbeyi so eyado owona onana scholarship mia vio onyagbale kake mon popo melosi alo obojila watande review school asiya na wona doma yeta ne wo hele wo ya me alo gavi classio as a businessman as a chief as individual from the region ekenele proud benenye vio afisa kenele let me ankosem and you want to be part ekema Siena YouTube page alo bona na mianya eni alekenata contribute gaviade $10, $100, 200, 2,000 ekenata wi kode na wo ha ne kuhe ibeda na obi atogbe togbe obi a no ekene wo pede wo du konwa atonwa glonyade eya glo miafe president le ni dakene president ye yita amole miase subo ta ma ko sera fi kaka fi na joa pede kwa enya kelation na wentonto pe members onye 20 states you are expecting about 20 states yo bona ncho le Colorado enya kelation na yo vavalao ha
Yo authentic akpe yasala plan gora kata enye jijo manya glo na miau kata le North America beria miau mi hoji be miau nye review eve du kopo ngogbe yi ejojinami ita mi wure ka fufu ke miameyu kata miankosam la le Asia officially jagbagba na you novio ayo o neba mikata mia fufu ba yo jiba yo pere eve du konchi ko nemi ko nuviare amare le Ghana Togo Benin ko nuviare amu le North America ko nuviare mikata me ko fufu korea magble ba me to bridge to sukuho to konji hospital health clinic plateau kaka ne mi wo na mako ka mikata nyapa ve du kona jita ma de kuku shaku na mi beria mi ko du pe do de nyapa jima mi fie mia vio mi fie mia sron mi fie nyapa ne bo kata beria mi pere mia den amarek mogo government arek mo ganamio mi auto koga tamade kukunami afisha finalere maga toba wo amara nava wo you no view ya moveria nke mi ekpore mi ko wurana na mi asia mabubu mako mi ocho America e pebla ton ya mi na pebla ton voyeke kare anyu mi kata mi awreka tamade kukuna mi kata mi ureka mi ko du ko tu de mi fa jima emi wona na achoma gberia yak blenda ne de mi avio na ko glena ovio ta akpenami mo me shama pam le mi hakata mi akpam ya va Colorado ne mateva ka jagwagwa otati mama urega moji na moji na kwe ka kene na na lashone ba wore bade kuku kwerura motati mama ani arega nami kwerura ne miawo miako ade abade kwaji akpana mi miawo zon ma mia jom le Colorado.
Okay. Akpenawo ha president Alaji, Mieko Alaji pedenko na Alaji mo la ben Lesiana club ame azaya dugbo efe avoya otana efe ya meto ya ma mi afe president do mi le popom efe kuku ha ma ta me yokatan bona obodo gbe magbe anye decided be onye members of Siana Akpena doc we wodo we fonu kemi pocha bota now pele wo fe executive so kata pele members so yo le agbagba je le gado gade vivivi be mi akotu apedo ma una do tepena mi ayira mi be dona je dojina mi agbena na agbona mi akadogo ya yo naji. Okay. Okay. Bye. Yo no vinu pola akpena mi be mi le wona bom na mi le live le Siana YouTube page mi le live le Top FM YouTube page mi le live le Authentic Mama Farm page on Facebook ye mi le live le Top Radio 103.1 Favan Oji le Ghana de Come le 40B Royal Casero Daji le Kokomlemle ke egba me le wona covenant mi live to Jackson New Jersey Ablaoji alo studio la fi ke nyemfe producer ga ekenye nye bitope host afeto Steve de amekenye PRO na Siana to elemegbenam gongon le production wona mbe wona ajefiato ajegato nenama ke eya klefe sinololo ha bebe out de ha ya no megbebe eno na ajefiato ajegato ta eya ha sister Vivian Newman elemegbena wona o kata o le production wona fi live nenama ke mana na nyebe the small boy Francis le studio le Ghana le pepeden wona alegbegbe le production wona mi nenama kenye classes DJ classes le studio yo wenye nyefe producer so le Ghana yo le production work come kokpede miano vi yo le yo meyo le America ya unbe wona ele pom live le miafe YouTube page on Top FM online on YouTube Siana YouTube page and also Authentic Mama Farm page. Me dakpe mi ho music via de na mi ayi wonaji ne mi aka kwa me bubu ade to me. Okay, nukpolao, todolao, miawe le nukpom, miawe le nyasem, live le top radio 103.1, Papa Laoji, mi le live le Siena YouTube page aji, mi le live le Top FM online, online le YouTube aji, mi le live le Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. So, ame yokatan la fuma mi dak pename, dem ya peye yota. The only thing I ask of you, and you share the video, share the links to your friends, invite them to tune in. That is the only contribution you can also do to support the show to grow wider. So please share the video, share the links, invite your friends to also join us to watch the show for us. Akpenami, Authentic Mama fan page, Tokatan, Akpenami, Mikata, mi, what the kakle mi, ama video, anamia no, mi invite you, be Authentic Mama ile live, le top radio, Papa Laochi, ke nyele wanaji todo lao mana na be abaleke me promise me be egba lineup is very thick. Me line up a lot of interviews for today because it's a special day and me have activities that don't line up. So here be me akunume akunukle ameyo lengo alo le wonaya wom ame eveli ake makafonukle anye nyanto alo nyanto fe for the kabeve oyebe afeto Steve there enye PRO na Siana to eve fe habobo you me say fe president e keba phone fifia PRO ame ipo na no dobo no tututu AI gbona aba konya de ka vado kokpede president fe no pon na wona ayechi eyata mi adoja na efo Steve ya oyo neko amese amenye be efo Steve efo Steve wezo
your authentic mama. We are almost in the same studio because when we were in Ghana, me tribe we'll have an in studio and interview. Yeah, we are hanging out together in the New Jersey.
In New Jersey. You are looking so fantastic with your dress. I see the color combination is very fantastic. You have open in it. I'm saying like, oh, this is a for Steve.
New designer, new designer in Ghana.
Yes.
By courtesy of Authentic Mama. New designer
Ghana. Yeah, designer like designer for Asino do aluminium. More will be coming soon, right?
Mercury, more should come.
Okay. For Steve, miafe president va no dongo. Na minya be azan pedie kemie dona. Efese afa e kadoji ewo abe no polana haboboma. No kana bi akokpeden eyi miafe ezimenola ba tungo.
Yo, miabe president, akpa America Madojana, Ameshameka Lakaji, miapon from all over the world, Madojana, especially any miapa YouTube pages, page watches, so I the first shot of Matak Benami, Matowisonami. Abaleka Glena, miaba president Bafunu, Dr. Chachu Nyamadi, yeah, a call and yankade. So you talk in Yamakoko quick in your Marku nama kwa jemo hada kwa ka jemo na ba maganana azaya na tongu ka siana de nu kenye nu ike mi wona manya convention ko mi wona apashako ka convention ya mi apata doju mi abade mi apa shia masiama alo mi amiashi amasiama de na mi ava kwede mi anwu mi atoko enye bade mi ajoga miafufuga ni miakwebejra pedo neganye Ghana neganye Togo neganye Benino ne miajagba emi edogedo wom efeshape abalega president Gbena efeyama inchoevayi just in March me to school hall adele peki jake DP any JSS building, maybe to brand new school building now. Bakla office, yemi to now. Mi apa gajojo, yemi kwebe water ma. Yemi traf ma, mi ba yide dodome awiasu, mi be break ground, le match mama. Kaka mi atrobo, mi jedo ho, pipia mi do roofing level already. Yeni mi traf ma ha, mi le Palima, me 2 projects. Well, I mean, what 2 projects simultaneously for. Kaka o nyaba mi abanu jojo, abale ka authentic mama agree, but I'm a sham about one and no wazama. Yeta a war a la wazama, yeta me a clad down, yo am a shaman no soon. Yeta a payama, mega at the one, le Palima, le Palima, le Togoma. Bona ha niga don ba miaga wodo gedo ka miapa dowo wo ikata akude miapa kpekpedon ita kama nya miapa tadojinu gakade miapa tadojinu ya mi woni pede na apeshapa miawo azatohia de ke mi yona ba convention ye na ba epe ya ma mi na de Loveland e ka le Colorado de miakpata la ma mi woni towards the last weekend miako ebe the first Monday of September. It at one jagoma show the late August abado because by the US amiduna nado yonaba Labor Day weekend. It's a Labor Day weekend at Shapa. Ye make manata. Ye gaka there is so many other activities about like Yabako MC running by Afma and Atwan Pogomelame and Ugadolame. I mean, not one life partner. Nyenta matwa.
And a testimony.
Yeah, I can be a witness to that.
Yeah.
I know so many other friends. Okay, they came and they found a business through
Okay.
networking. So all that we don't only come and socialize. Yeah, socializing is a great thing. You meet new friends and reconnect with old friends. Pletomo. There is networking, there is socializing, and there's always business opportunities, and there is also lifetime relationship opportunities as well. Gaka, we do all this for a good cause. Yenyaba, we doing all this Nemiatwa response. Akokobejra Apedo in Ghana, Togo, and Benin through scholarship and development projects. So,
okay. Todo lao no polao miele Dunenyo alo miele Dunenyo Borborbor show pele authentic mama pom live egba miele cover na mi live show Jackson New Jersey USA afuma ko wana chule babana mi ke miele sem alo Ghana toka tan len konye sem le top radio 103.1 pabala oji eyo ha okale konye live le Sienna YouTube page aji okale konye live le top FM online on YouTube aji authentic mama fan page is also streaming live le Facebook aji so amesiame le miakpom ye dakpena mi de miape ye yota ke da popo ya mayijima bia apeto Steve debe ame nye nupola alo PR pedena habobo ya mi ochonkona be Siana be George na me me he Siana no azadu kaka 31st edition ya mi ye dudupe le Colorado Denver right amegede adono boblobe evio elebe mia wodeka ne mia do radio station adede Ghana eke ano mia degbe promote abeleke mi lewo adede ji akeke mia fe dekono mia ha mia pomo no popo ano degbe yo do be mia no mia to novio ano mia gbe sron efe gbogbo metanwa jeji o kake mia ameyo over le North America ye mi eva drazan kaka popu mia do kyo pele gayo le nkodo afeji a mi kaja ba wo Siana YouTube alo Siana TV eye mi ko wona ya detome be mia no alo mia no eve fenyao kakam ano vegbe sron afia mia vio le egbeji pela pesia George na munto eke mi chonko na be Siana Media right fifia authentic mama han part of the Siana Media tome eye menya be Denver na Siana Media is going to be in charge of a lot of activities so Anna kika mekatana ponu ikeleji like North America menye sigba pede konyake na aglocho Siana Media hu na miano video katana miakpom eye na wanye be from 29th next week Thursday awano Siana YouTube po akponu siano eke miako ave cho azame
Yo authentic mama nyate favor ni mia avawa nyate favor emitan pogoma na mia awodeka in a week mia twa ameshama awo itos ni viade le tapada amarehana wo itos viade le tapada gaka mia ikele US alo Canada US and Canada me pomiadokio in a very unique way because me have an umbrella organization yemi fufu avawa Eta mita ba ahia ba we establish a mouthpiece then a vow na a vow de na mia ba leke mia twa a promote mia ba a to cover konu bakle yaba culture bakle in the sia de yeta mita a fu Siana Siana TV alo Siana Media. Yema, you are also part of it. Every Saturday you broadcast from Ghana and we carry it live. The convention, this would be the very first time because Siana Media would be present. Yeah, we would carry the entire event on our media channel, which is YouTube and Facebook, but all the other media partners that we have, they will carry it live. Sankofa, Ghana Web, and Authentic Mama fan page and YouTube and all the other partners, so Apenya Media, Apenya TV, all of this and media houses are low social media where they'll be able to carry it live as well. But look, be on the lookout. Siana Media will be collaborating with so many other social platforms who would bring you so much. Yeah, there's going to be some virtual access to the event. So, look, being there is not like being told that just taking because many every moment that we'll be able to capture. We will be able to capture some snippets of it. We'll capture what we can. Gakade, Maraku ni. You ought to be ne atenwa na me pod dog bahare ku aka Maraku dog ba. Yema authentic mama yaba doho later. Look, I'm up but you can come and join in the fun and experience it in person. There is nothing like in-person experience. So, if for any reason you will not be able to come, we still would offer you some experience through the magic of virtual media.
Okay. For Steve, they are making a PRO now, Sienna. Council of every association in North America, open PR open custom live, live, by transmitting to Jackson, New Jersey, La America to come. Kake, mile sem la akpasi akwa la kike mepe afisi afike mile. Judge na mi be mi wode kakple mi ke do komi bia be avevi wonu tefe wo ha ofe contribution alo open na no me ne evio no vio la fe legbe ekemese ekabobo ya hadewa na wanya be habobo adele nene o wode kale America to come le nkudo afeji afefe kono pleto eyo le nkudo afeji pele nuna now over le school ko tum o le hospital so tum o le bridges so wom o le scholarship na mia vio o kata o kwecho America o fe nu jojo me yo kola avava ewo abe businessman ewo abe individual mawira egalasio alo asimilasio o ha pedo bonti na mi apete mi awe na wanyo wanyakpo be amonu to amede afi ni nocha le dukoma mi akagbo anoi school de nyao ayingo eye agbalanya nyao nenema edo ne leke mi comport na mi adoko everywhere we go mi ato mi nya evia wa afi mi asenya von emi edidi yata mi do congratulations na Siana members okata yo gbona convention mana wa be authentic mama mele life already le America aka we are getting ready to go to Denver, Colorado me miava akpede miahu adwazaya eye mi akọ nuyo mi akpo abe music I'll be doing a show called Music for You akova Top TV le Ghana amesi amenakpo aleke asanyi yeta watch out the authentic mama ele representing life and I'll be bringing you that after nemegova Ghana mi akpo no katan le Top TV eye mi akpo le authentic mama fan page mi akpo le Siana YouTube mi akpo le Top FM online on YouTube and all over the other affiliate media partners so abeleko blog for Steve mako said afi nyaka pede kwele na blog ko wunu hafi nyakwa mebubu over I just me ve mi interview na and you topic that talk the California all the way from Ghana is also ready. Mia akweda ne na wunu na Pedeko.
Yo, authentic Mama Miracle. And Yami Blo Okata and Yakata look, this is going to be the best convention ever. Don't be a mix out. Make sure that you can. Kaka for if for any reason, Yama body, Nyaba essence, we're trying to raise funds. Yema, you can see it scrolling onto your screen. Yeah, and Atwanto, Momoaji, Nana Jagba, Nana. And in the share the code, neganya $1, neganya $1, neganya £1, neganya €1. Mag Brenadeko. Hey, Kawana Tonpudi, Nano over war, Nano a war summer, Nemia Katari, Nemia we, Newanyo. Nemiayi abetu abetu kolo. Ka Americo bonade Siana convention ade. Mido maupa jogbenina ameshame. Miakpe Denver, Colorado, Loveland, Colorado, and it's going to be a blast.
And where everything is going to be the first ever.
I forgot the first for everything. For having me online today. It's such a joy.
Thank you. It's a pleasure having you at least this day on my show, live from your own studio in North America. I'm grateful for the opportunity you have given me. I'm most grateful. Ken Obi Todolao, Nearly Live, the top radio, Papa Laochi, top 103.1, Papa Laochi, Nearly Live, the top, Mark Blobber, Sienna YouTube page, Mark Blobber, Nikale Live, the top FM online on YouTube, Nikale Live, the Authentic Mama fan page on YouTube. I'm a similar me and custom like Ghana to comment, America to comment, and everywhere. Labe Amadona Menyabe, they are watching me live. Brony John, ebe lekwenye live from Nigeria. Akweto France nyonyo, ebe lekwenye to Ghana. Babie Law, ebe lekwenye menyafika. Let me know where you are watching me from so I can acknowledge you and let people know where you are. Agwada, Xavier, Efojo Free, Okatan be you lekwenye live. Akweto set holy dofe, ebe you lekwenye live. To Achimota, Ghana. Pulebu Wakata. Manumia yo deka just leave your comments and namanya fina le kwenye tu namano helena diko katamanya beoha elenanya ji ke before mia yi aho ehadeka me segbe fande day alo announcement yada ke ameyo le Ghana beveto me afet the fande day ya in not college obe in not college enye school ade ike owona ofiana no de view abe remedial classes ameyo dole school JSSS pledges a pleto kakea o meton nyafe grade so meno mele pepepe nyako a continue education o mietibe miagobo angla paper ekema enough college to be mana na nyebe they are ready for you. That is the place you need to be if you want to take your remedial classes very well. Then I pass for the next timer ekema meleka funa be enough college Accra, Ghana, Yahweh wana remedial classes. Oh, na pre-SHS classes. Ne amade ekemia vio amado vio bo susuda obo susu eda alebebe ye ole primary alo JSS1. Yakodi be wangolo exam kaba angolo SS exam kaba. Yes, mana na nyebe ole no fiala fuma be wa prepare the vie be wate wangolo exam makaba. Pre-SHS classes is available like Enoch college. Then make private registration of Novdek ne ableke megle ne ngolo exam vai ke metan pass 222 etibi agbogbo ngolo exam be na tenwa ho excellent love the document meleka funa be Enoch Kaleto, that is the place to go. Be na bawo registration. Wa fia no nwe teacher solo sinwe eye na tawangolo pen of deck. Mana na nye be ongolo May June exam so ha. You can register for May June exam so ha. So get ready. And may you katan tibe wa go angolo exam atwa pass nwe for university and other colleges wa ekema meleka funa be Enoch College. Ole Enoch College ole Malam Accra Malam ole adjacent after church club the father oyona be adjacent oyobe after church club ole Malam ameyo nya Ghana ameyo le Ghana to come and nya fi Malam nene do Malam aglobe ya de after church club afumai Enoch college and akole then it be ya senu menu na for more inquiries you can call them on 0244 841 537 0244 841 537 yeah Enoch College and may you the best in remedial classes, the best remedial classes. Enoch College. Ole Malam after church club. That is the bus stop. We can add do Malama. Aglobe did after church club. Afumako. Nena yo 0244 841 537. School keme kafu now. Fiania alo gapopo ya mebe ne de be evio na gbogbo anglo exam na wa pass nwia ekema Enoch College le Accra Malam after church club junction of Manakole nya yijikle another music ade ekema mia akọ amebubu ikemi aponu pele mia dada
ago na evedu kogodo mana na nyebe fe akpe evebla evevo ene asogli Borborbor Street Carnival zando eji eje September penkeke bla evevo enyeji leho bankwepe abloji vanemi ato hajiji yedudu nududu ple adaudoji ahe nutu ape dekonu pedia odego Borborbor habobo we avliho ple wonweo adeye dudu pe acha bobovo de gohe ke habobo kae aho bulwai takuvinyo atrohe eye evendudu bobovo ha ano afima vakpo alesi wona atu amunutu amede kawo droeda eye wa diga ha de ngoyidom eyata na enye Borborbor habobo ade le ape alogbe dibe yakpo gomele asaga hobiblisi ama ekema na yo kapojesi yao 0539 984 990 allo 0270 000043 email borborborcarnival@gmail.com novi ne mayiwa gona mayi penyae eyata donku ejibe azagasia avajile September penkekebla evevo enyiagbe leuntiga Andre tututu leho the Oxygen City nyaebe Asogli State Young Festival ye wode kakple giveaway charity group kowona siade tome abete duzafe akpade ene eviawe minamiado le de kawowome miawe wanoto hey azailo azanse
Yendo golovija oji mi ekpe golovija tuje.
ago na evedu kogodo mana na nyebe fe akpe evebla evevo ene asogli Borborbor Street Carnival zando eji eje September penkekebla evevo enyeji lehu
Garupo. Kawo no gbe ya oru agere la koma na domi poi. Kawo no gbe ya oru agere la koma na domi.
Siana. Dr. Chachunyamadi, President of the Council of Urban Associations of North America, in conjunction with Mr. Cornelius Akume, President of Urban Association, Colorado, cordially invites you to this year's 31st Annual Convention to be held at Loveland, Colorado. The event will be held from August 29th to September 2nd, 2024. Venue is the Embassy Suites by Hilton Loveland Hotel, 4705 Clydesdale Parkway, Loveland, Colorado, 80538. Guest of honor and keynote speaker is Mr. Charles Goh, CEO, Petrat Management Corporation, Frontline Properties and Maintenance Inc., United States of America. Mr. Charles Goh is also CEO and founder of Paradigm Roofing Systems and Charlie Marks Investments in Ghana. Our special guest is Her Excellency Hajia Alima Mahama, Ghana's ambassador to the USA. Other special guests include Dr. Archibald Yao Lecha, Volta Regional Minister, Togbi Agbelom Agbotoko, the second Chief of Salo and Sienna's representative in Ghana, Honorable Mr. Emmanuel Bejra, Member of Parliament, Ho West, Madam Vivienne Saida, businesswoman BVS Lome, Togo, Honorable Winnie Dogbache, Mayor of Parliament, Honorable Ajo Agbaglo, Mayor Kovie Zio 2. As usual, the Master of Ceremony is FO Siv Day, Sienna's PRO, to be assisted by Madam MFA Authentic Mama, radio talk show host at Top FM Radio in Ghana. This year's convention is going to be one of the best Sienna's conventions accommodations. The Ebe Association of Colorado is dedicated to ensuring this will be the best convention for ages to come. You cannot afford to miss this, as we have specially packaged for you all suites hotel accommodation, action-packed lineup of activities from Thursday to Sunday, first ever Deba of Chiefs and Queen Mothers on Friday night, sumptuous Ghanaian dishes to be served in the comfort of the hotel, breathtaking excursion of the mile-high, mountainous views, and a lot more. Come, let's network, raise funds to complete the construction of the kindergarten building at Dodome, Abiasu in the Volta region of Ghana, and the construction of a computer library at Palime in the Greater Cloto region in Togo. Siana at 31. Come, let's celebrate.
Okay, obe mekaju vimajina amareko elabe ya ha wokwele no fi todo la o ya nye Borborbor ke le background ye ni se fi live ele authentic mama kole Dunenyo Borborbor show kwen kosem live mi le covenant mi egbe cho America to come afia de yo be Jackson in New Jersey afuma ye wona mi le transmitting to na mi ke mi le live le top 103.1 pe abala oji le kokomlemle Accra 40B Royal Castle Road aji afumaye elankonye semchi le radio papa lauji. We are also live streaming le Siana YouTube page le North America. We are also streaming live le Top FM online on YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube. La fisi afie kenele o la fuma le mia pom. Nenema ke authentic mama fan page also on Facebook is streaming live. Thank you so much all over the world. Amesa mekele konya. We appreciate you and your time. Akpe kea ametohe bubu eke kala fie menami egbana glona mi be do mi line na programa eto deme alegbegbe ne nyono ha vacuum yakwebe eto deme nyatope nye tope anti de kabeve ne nye persistent no eke egbomi vale eya homi de America fa feme la fi mi le nkeke ton ado ya mi vale dodo no dodo no si anu ele wona mi pepe eyata umata wosho ya eke uma appreciate eye uma nam yakpo ameile mi ahoso eye enye member of Siana yata eya ha mi abie aleke o college ajado wo na efe ya mefe Siana ela be afi yola ehaka do plane hafia ya fi ke wona anoji nududu no jajado kletode wanami anya abe mia dada dometodika na Siana towene eyata Mayiji enomake eyemado jana mia dada. Auntie Vivian.
Yes,
Leke.
thank you, Mama.
Oh, wezo.
Mazore miao.
Leke clear fien yalo.
Just for you.
Oh, I know.
Just for you. I dress up only because of you.
Wow.
Because the only authentic Mama is in
It's
my
in
house.
the house.
Yes.
Wow. You've been so amazing, wonderful. Your reception, I don't know what to say. From day one till now, I don't know, we keep counting and we know it's going to be even better than the beginning. Thank you so much. Be a homide wofa feme la America fi. Mienya be America to meta hona mejro la be miatu minya miafe anyi no la fi ta kakea e kabome be iya afeto enye afevi enye amejro mi hona la fe ta no matter how a ho mejro de wofa feme la America. Ma ona ira dongo
Thank you.
akpe. Bami de dokwe fiami ewenye mekanko de.
Uncle Nyenye Vivian Newman.
Okay.
My sugar pie is the hero of Siana, Stephen Stephen Day.
Okay.
And
My Gina, Sister Vivian Newman. I
yes,
mean, enye FS no eke pono ya nye PRO of Siana. Apeto Steve des no ya. Yowe homi de America opa peme. Afi mi ano for ye des no krapa avagana. Eyama semnele. Enye the mama of the house. We call her Auntie Vivian Newman. Auntie Vivian, Siana, nyenya be ye yade. Ye jajado to her all over state of it here. Nyonu miato mianya nyonu e wona no nyakona mia fashion dodo address new leso kente ape kente o nududu vovovo de leke o ha ne college ajado na fe ya meto.
okay. The pressure is right here in the house here. And my husband will do anything for Siana.
Yeah.
And so on that note, I have to make sure everything is in order. So when you talk about food, he told me that he's going to host Amadol Ifekome.
Yeah.
We've cooked a lot of food, and they are in our freezer right now. We are trying to freeze them, and we order a lot of food too from Colorado. So we are ready. And what he's going to wear, he told me he needs 3 special clothes, one for Friday, one for Saturday, and one for Sunday.
Okay.
So he is ready. Even if you want him to move today, he will move. So in this household, we are ready for Sienna, and we will do anything for Sienna because we just want to do make our homeland better for us. So that is what we are doing so far.
Wow, Auntie Vivian Newman, amekenye emia pete mia suro eyata fonye suro eta konye mia suro afeto Steve the PR of Siana sino makpom nele ebe ne ntu achua no doda sine ntu a nyonu no megbe ya nunyuna eyata yima tiwa no megbe eke yima support sino be edo iko da sine abe PR of Siana waje fiato aje gatota ye ha yele ready ye le megbe epa udodo nududu no menye ya de kato ha authentic mama to pedon afeto bubu ade ha le mi adome afeto dan ya ha no vacuum ya sef nko ya ha bele ame you katanya mekpepe yo gbo to Ghana ya dunu le Auntie Vivian gbo epe hotel room everything ya ta emeva ha ona mekpo freezer o me bo different sort of assorted food and stew soup whatever everything ready na Denver 2024 Siana ke Isabelian win ton de le wo fe jajrado me nyinya be achon a ele be na do achon be magbe ano megbe na fo be no le pokwa no le nu pokwa atako ano me don ano like wo ha win ton le ready
You touch them already. You touch them already. Yeah, ready. Just ready.
ready in everything.
In everything, we want me thought that we are ready for 3 nights dress up.
Okay.
So we are ready.
Enya kaila sio na nyonu yo kata egbo na Siana ala be nyonu e wona no ayo nyakpona na fia odo a ele be mia leke mi wona la fe ano vividodon ano yagbo na o collector yo de enya kaila sio na nyonu who are coming this year to Siana.
Okay, enya kaila tinye na nyonu kwenye be about Friday night a celebration of the chiefs and queen mothers ola. Let me have me adova. Let me support Siame. We need to dance with the chiefs and donate money. We need to dance. If we have to dance with the Queen Mother, we will dance and donate money. We have to. Ejiba Siame never. Nemi awe ne wanyo ni do viviera zao ne wa vivina miapite as part of the fundraising. And you know, Dova, I can't wait to see my beautiful First Lady, Sister Pat.
Yeah.
And Mama Mausi and other ladies, Sister Peace from Texas.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see all my beautiful friends to come and support the Eweland. So we are ready. I think we are ready.
Okay. Moving from Jackson, New Jersey.
Thursday early morning. We
early
are
morning
in our convoy.
In our convoy. The whole house, many of you we are half of Siana already.
Yes, we are.
Maybe my coy hand, na madakpe now, unchua, minyebe, ebufofo, mediti crowd, never gonna vawaku, and a do for there, untifa farmer, magbo winter na yefe and call, me, nuyane, amo have my common popo, madakpe now, tobe, a kuneva o ha. Enwakra woku as a party all over the places. Me enjoy me adokyo, ela be me ato a amenuwe susi be echi. 107 years or so. So echita enyata nye wonu katande jijo popo me be ya ha fellow ajijo le wonti fa farm ame ocho all over the world over now over kponu tepe now o support you over the pele won mi do daddy de wonti fa farm nchopedo now nchopedo ame yo ne be a common popo ya ko ya dakpe now pede kwa na tenwa common popo ya because it's opportunity akodakpe na babala you fine.
Okay. Meda akpe first of all, akpe dada ganto ina my sugar pie.
Yeah.
My loving husband.
Yeah.
We yo nyo. Okay. And meda akpe na Siena in general make we take support him la Siena. And Siena and all the Catholic churches and Night of St. John's, Night of Marshall, Ladies of the Night. And I'm a Kpekpe Kenya Vako, Golden Tulip staff, and Amocho Togo, Amocho America, Amocho Tepe Obite Vakwa. Me dak pena mi apete maune yirami. Maune don sa me say me Dr. Chachu. Maune don say we akpena okakaraka for all your support. Mr. Muzo, you are the best brother anybody can ask for. Akpe.
Father.
Father, hey, my father, Reverend Father Perry, Madekuku Akpena Okaka, Maune Yira, Maune Donusia no Tepena, Opete, Glen of you, Peter, Gle Joy, Miapete, Maune Yirami, Efonia Sebastian, Uncle Robert, Akpena Miapete, Miawe, Yaunyo, Akpe.
Okay, Auntie Vivian Newman, Georgina Military.
1 minute. And my last Akpedada Eyina Ewontola for hosting the second part of the funeral.
Okay.
You did it. Maune Yira, Maune do Tepena Akpekaka. Akpe.
Ekpolekene sweetheart tell megbena mo nyona.
You got that right.
That is why obe eveno no ye onyo ta mi kata mi anove ne enona ayi ngonami. Auntie Vivian akpekaka kene ne bi ado hanela no to ado yo le po le Ghana alave o han le po le nkose fa ala ofisi afifa.
Uncle Robert and my brother Sebastian, my whole family, the Bovia Ajujo family. Hane Yina Namsia.
Okay.
And all my loved ones.
Bye. See you in Denver.
Bye. Love you. You're looking
Love
pretty.
you more.
Thank
you too. Bye. Okay, no polao. Afisa fi kenela nkonya semchi let live. Nile clear live let top 103.1. Top 103.1 FM. Ellen Konya Sem La Fuma. Nile Kokomlimle Ash Villa building ame. Nile transmitting chui. Nenama ke nile Top FM online on YouTube. Top FM online on YouTube is also streaming live. Nile live yes, Lesiana YouTube page also streaming live. Nile live the Authentic Mama Farm page also streaming live. Akpenami nopalao todolao nyefenya salao efonye Geoffrey Agbojinshi efonye Amos Akoli efo Francis Nyonyo ukata on le moji le ponye la fi efo Tornado efo Peter Adra Amenovi the young shall grow. All my listeners, Sister Gifty Agbojinshi, Aigbe Tanto, Ameyo le Kofrodia, Ameyo le Kaso, Ashaman, Vika, Spinters Road, Kokomlimle, Ameyo le Aboso Kind, Efobe le Ponye Live, Cho Aboso Kind spare part, Divine Adoku, I've been watching you live from Aboso Kind spare part center. Thank you so much. Aboso Kind Tokatan spare part, Hododionami, Amebobo. Third day Enoch Atiayo. Good evening, Authentic Mama. Watching you live from Bon. Amono Twame. Thank you so much. Live from Kaneshi, Swan Lake. Okay, in your former house. Where you live show Swan Lake area. Meka sector Joe Free. Elemoji. Afeto set holy. Dope also watching me live from Achimota. Just let me know. I may you la forma me share video, me share links, or me invite me of you, me like page, and me follow Authentic Player One. Okatan siena YouTube, me follow me like it. Then me invite me na comment. Nene egbebu bo one. Ye me bube ole na de ama. Nyoha nem ya view me no view le doya wa. Me show love a sign mao me like page yao me follow up you share and that is all we are all doing our best to promote our language, our culture, our heritage, and our region. So oha wade ne wo na no wo me ne maton ajoga ode aton wo ya dede ne eno na acho ajefiato ajegato nya yichi mana mi anye be program talk ya de mi ko de to me ni chon kona be Borborbor Street Carnival enye program to heade eke mi ko de to me asogli young festival ple Mianovio Top Media Group Asogli Yam Festival Ple Mianovio Ekenye Medakuma Bomayo Name Giveaway Ghana, Asogli Young Festival, Giveaway Ghana in collaboration with Top Media Group. Mieko wanade de tome miecho nkonebe Asogli Street nuka Borborbor Street Carnival. Borborbor Street Carnival is going to come on live on the 28th of September in Ho, the Oxygen City. Yes, that is the Oxygen City. Amunutome nyape capital town. Fifia ochon konebe the Oxygen City. Amedena biambe why? Because nene jolege nyado atempoku nya yinakwa. Akwebe aya different aya oxygen, new oxygen ade na no bobo. Miekweba kra mie subo pollution clear all over the issues. Kakia amunutome miapechi akosombo tio pleto egbeo nuka eto pleto yoko and now different level of oxygen. Eyata ochon kona amunutome capital city be the oxygen city. That is where the Borborbor Street Carnival is going to happen on the 28th of September 2028. And Authentic Mama is going to be MC of that program also. Miato minyabe togbe afede agbogbo of Asogli State. Ope tedudu amunutome abeleke evedometo dunate angloto duna hogbechocho, and it is time for Young Festival this time around. Peki, Ho, Hohwe, Bando, all over. And Hotoa Okwede Tomega as a big celebration. And the celebration starts on the 28th of September. Ye wana anoji. E hokatana yo hotels hokatana je falling. And so then it be a pogome le Borborbor Street Carnival yama. Ekema nene Borborbor group. Helen konye sa edu konapo. Registration is free. Ako ava angloko. Abe ha ye be anye Borborbor nuka group be ya compete. Any competition adena Borborbor group. So we are taking about 15 or 10 Borborbor groups on that day. Le Soglipa Bloji, le Ipi Poajia, Borborbor group so cho Accra, cho Amunutome, wa wodeka, wa compete. Then me John, the kade the best Borborbor. Me have Borborbor groups all over scattered across the country, but we want to now me akobe ekanye the best. Ekanye the second, ekanye the third, pletoyo every year. That's what we want to be doing now. Eyata, nyeko wana ya detome. And then ye Borborbor group, and it be a pogome led Asogli. Giveaway and top and giveaway Ghana and top media group top Borborbor Street Carnival ya. Ekamamon populasio. Be wo ha atenwa gedeme. And your authentic mama. Yepe number kwa atenwa gedeme. But the Kuku Borborbor group selling konye sema no banye 0244 066 752 0244 066 752. Nene yo no bamia authentic mama I make be me fifiolo ekema mana aleke ohana agedeme. First award a million and na Borborbor group ekira first 10,000 Ghana cedis plus products and other products and things from the sponsors. Second, alo first runner up will take 5,000 plus product. Amebubu Kenya second runner will take 3,000 plus product. Ye amesisowa mi adakpena mi play a little nado be mi ha mi va we unyako. Ye tanye great competition ade cake ball azantoke onyo le the Oxygen City on the 28th of September 2024 le ho wana jagome play procession le abloji kakava yaba pay a homage na togbe akwede ekamami achola fuma komi na the background nyape university lecturers so you onye professors so dutona de konupenyawa they will be the judges on that day yata no libi no near obete na anye clear then edujiko eduji yata miele mi akpem Borborbor group so kata le nkonyesem afisa afikenele and you want to be part of this competition you call Authentic Mama on 0244 066 752 and I'll help you. Registration is free. Kebo nuna nae nyakonami akpenami novi to the loud nyai wanaji top 103.1 FM Authentic Mama and Dunenyo Borborbor show when kosemnele live show Jackson New Jersey nyako hadika ekema the last interview ekenye myato myanovi myafocho amonuto ame ya hale myagbola fia agedeme awu wananu nami myako ha ayi wanaji.
Sikiko
Maunya Mesoplito. Maunya Mesoplito. Mejor es eso, oh, mejor es eso. Maunya Mesoplito. Okay. Maunya Mesoplito. Ela gbaglobe nyepe mau authentic pe mau Mesoplito. I don't know the God you have. I know the one I have. If it is the same, then fine. But if it is not, then I know my God. I hope you know your God as well. Eya koglom ehayale. Eyata novi to the la machete today hayaji mado. Welcome nami back va Dunenyo Borborbor show. Play authentic mama MFA. Egba miele transmitting live to Jackson, New York, Jackson, New Jersey. I feel miele transmitting to. Normally, I name na New York City most of the time, so we are used to that name. Kake this time I'm New Jersey to like Jackson. Penam yakwe host, Kenya producer, Egbe Lafia, Yanye PRO, the whole PRO of Siana. Abetos team there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Akpena mauna akagubwa. I'll let you now be nakapu pang pona vertical pengo ye. Nana ma Kenya producers legana yewenye DJ Killer 6. Killer 6, thank you so much. I love you all. I miss you. Nana ma Kenya nyape small boy danger Francis. Francis, my dog now here. Yes, thank you for being there for me. Kaya yeah de abaleke winto nenya nyile live nyile streaming le top 103.1 Papa Lauji ta radio kata aleko sinam konye le Ghana to come le radio Papa Lauji a ole konye sem fifi lai le Ghana papa siafa nene make ameyo ponam le Siana YouTube page. I also watching us live from Siana YouTube page. I also ameyo nye Top FM online YouTube page kola oha ole live lafma the same way authentic mama fan page to le Facebook also like so ni la fi se afin akpena mi todo lao mi nam like mi nam love mi nam mi show me love you show me love. I see. Na nye be mi le miao ke the last interview for the day. Ya nye to phone the ka beve. Nye pele cho Ghana vado America la fi. Me bobo cry choko ikata nye la bedroom at least. Obe all work and no play make Jack the double. Yeah, so elebe mi advance bevie ne mi vado chilling town. So mi ape host they are chilling daddy and mommy. So we are all chilling, including their daughters. We are all chilling, getting ready for Siana in Denver coming Thursday. This coming Thursday. Mado jana efonye antonava de doko efia ameyo nye hafivado afika oleti tu ne wanya nyanye be. I'm not telling lies. Efonye wezo.
Yo, akpe.
Ewenye
Authentic mama, wala dodgy.
akpe.
Yento yenye dan koju agboka jegede.
Come on, be now jegede.
Jerudo gede.
Bugoyon konam nye.
Agboka jegede.
Aha. Wezo.
Yo.
Ya Afrika ile fifi live ile nkonye sem.
Yo, mele Jackson, New Jersey.
Okay.
Mile onto nya novi for Steve, the PRO, the indefatigable PRO of the Siana. I mean, he's the face of the Siana, you know. Mile bole Jackson. Yeah.
Wezo.
Yo,
Alomia wezo.
Yeah, sure.
Like wenye meka nedo mahi ameyo lepo all over the world menya meka nenyo wenye meka wento de dokufia.
Yo, Anyento executive director Voter Development Forum. Anye hababo hela gbaje be nyato voter alo view le Ghana. Nya gbova pe alo mia oreka a develop mi ape region amuganu tome ava alomi kwebe time rova ya biva gbele region dara ya mesia mamola mi asia ke mi va mesia me va ire gbeta ova ja amreka me gatore kala mana mi ape amuganu tome mi va identify be ahia me mi oreka agbofa pe va jira pero ye mi dagba form alo diamo experience area o menye engineer enye medical doctor enye nurse enye nuka mi group opite la all the committee me have about 19 committee na agbaja be mi atrasile amuganu to me pe emi obe do ano amuganu to me na mo chu tepe vache a no chu va po be o ye be veyin gba enu yin o la veyin gba alo bri amakato manya no va po o si be a pastor Jimmy Le as voter development forum. Madimasa Mokoko Adogba Namia executive council members. Chairman here, Dr. Kofi Klujesin. Lape Peronto, Ola Todo, Alola Mia Kofi Fie, Lape. Yekaganye executive, no, CEO na voter gate estate. Estate, Bila Bajamia to call, Nkuvu Howe. Nice communities, city. Vamos atuar no forma é a frente bova qua. Ndia la brochita atuar no pele o alo am ganto. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so menya me vikra na nyohele mia egbe me have this opportunity be mia interview ya now. See a whole CEO of Watergate Estate from whole the Oxygen City is not a small person, and also executive director for Voter Development Forum. It is a privilege having you on the show.
Thank you.
Ke mono popo ya doko malaws reka. Then ye jova ya fa Ghana na agbogbo atrasi na vanami sponsorship via then I got promote Dunenyo Borborbor show. As you can see there, it goes all over. Then mia wewanyo ta me hold you on the spot and menya be for Steve and I be now went up. Okay, okay. Thank you in advance. Ken, me va pakple enufo ya ne pofifia be Voter Development Forum. In addition to being the CEO of Watergate Estate, ekemile hot to da monu to ame de dodo nu. Hemieva mekanaji be le Jackson le New Jersey la fi mi la mi di chacho. Yemi ewito ekpoleke dodo yo nu otu hoda. Omegle anyigba basa bleke Ghana mi egle na anyigba ako 2 plot 3 plot atu ho gonu de kodeji anyigba pitele fifi anyigba vole Ghana amono to me crying ba me kalemiasio ekpo nade hexro nade akoyi in terms of Watergate Estate ma pe akpadia agba
Anya jijo na madakwe na ya PRO for Steve Plesro Madam Vivian. In fact, aloko komi ekplomi bicha vakpo community yo alevolaji. In fact, mi makpo le community la Jackson anya nkuvuvu no ekpo etawe dicha na kpo no na me dicha re manyala kolo ele tapura feba ya champion kene dicha re ala mtepe kpogbe community abale onto ekpo onto che ekpo tepe go to le do no fine ayingba o manager ayingba then you have plot o to go fine o le ji o manage no sia no parking place let towe look at am your matan wele amugano tubo do sena o namia. You see, not all where you create your own worldview. We can create whatever we want in voter region. But I'm all of voter region, the whole country, voter region, the best tourism potential area.
Okay.
Fly.
Okay.
We have so much potential. You all have but we are at me. I would do your talk with. I don't need culture. Let me have nice community so. They want to have who majuro. Ajuro kama kajuro. Ato no hokrachwa ire gaoto. Very soon train line huvagbe flight to New York. Bachola hukwa bachola in the JC. I New York about auto. Alacholo the JC I Maryland. It's because of the infrastructure. Paul Moyo Jimmy Tora. Nice roads, infrastructure. Then you will let the Poyaku back at distance, back at Yanareko. Ta do abe hope do ni mikwa. Ya o to biku abe mi ble ho be mi bo because mile amoyo gbele ho. Ble other city like Hokwe.
Okay.
Stakeholders meeting. Happen na mo ble town planning. Be mi ada forever mi apa cities so le voter regime. You vote sustainable development goals.
Yeah.
We need to adjust our things, ways of doing things now.
Okay.
But I'm a stomach actual one let up anyhow to do it of me. But now more the chava pechery. What for me oh you do no
I see. Nove Nukbolao, Todolao, Top Radio 103.1, Pen Cosem Nele, Ele Authentic Mama Play, Dunenyo Borborbor Show, Pen Cosem, Mila Nupo Play, Executive Director, na Voter Development Forum, Play, I make it, can you see, na Voter Gate Estate, Pen Ko, Apeto Daniel, Jigede, Pe, Alo Jagede, Pen Ko Masem Nele, and New York, the four backpop, I bear make it estate building ma. Ya tamelegbe obi ala be mi ba po ale ke hall to hall afide dodo adonu e mo fe de dodo adonu o what the pado ko na community ke la fuma be menye bo to hota e mo lebelebe de ko ke te fe gba bajale amesiam ekele that community can go there, relax, eat, drink, and even if you have more visitors, say kema ya femina o alone have program then be our conference others simple one. You all go there and relax and do those things. Because it's part of the amenities, like community. Because into estate development. Akova awola monotome ha be mi ha na modi chachok betava wa pe be mi afa nkunya le fufu ela be ni mi le chacha kwa ela be mi no nokpo eye mi anu no wo de dodo no apena efo kemi ayiji le voter development forum pa pajia o ha o pe doda si ke menya lo nyebe o ha o popo bodo kwenu la monotome eye o leg habobode me ke o ya ta o chon kone be voter development forum o ti o la sito eveto yo mau irao asimelo si eye ame yo ha the school ha sisulo si wo biti wa pe ne galaso kafra na mede susu ha le say the school kokko ekpon tefekleto mi kata mi ava pofu eye mi akwa down pele ga pofu a to amono to amedo me si gbe glo mi la
Yama ya tutu ma
ye mekpo be edo eke miao ha mi le wo mi echo nkone be voter development forum me le too different from Siana meka achoa
now well different.
Safia ehia be miao plus Siana ha miao mi la fe yo ha like be kakia you can collaborate and be working hand in hand be enwa odeka ne edo pele ga pele go yina va mo no to me efia be mia at least enu to trole baba me sigba
Yama
Tanya kana agblɔ si ya na kpe ɖe ko adakpe no aka motivate yo ha.
yo Siena to chola Dr. Chachunya Madi le fe executive so ayiko na mi lo mi ole doji anya po mi ameketo la pe mi le mi anko se mi avi yo la bruchi do e wa mi le ya fe contribution le to yo e wa mi le pete le je la fe Siena fe ele magble be o fe do na ele unko no naga lo distribution la no naga contribution la alo zanaga alo kona project la very transparent o amusiam tamia viole beta la US Canada plete poroa no mi va mi contribute na Siena o la agbaje me pona te first gere no va mi me plona oro mi ye ba inaugurate alo mi a commission project rewe ta anya mi janin to abemia VDF alo voter development forum mi be mi ano magbe na mi adanwe ole ya do adanwo na mi bakpero mi awa play me because you have strategic partners you have Siena like better you mi la fe mi apasi ala mi awe le so kama yaba vota lo eveyingba pango bayi la ga ireju
Okay.
abalo le fifie.
Okay. Akpena effecto Daniel Jegede. Jegede. Mesiba.
Yama.
I'm making executive director na voter development forum pakpele CEO na voter gate estate to le amonotome nikata la America igbe demi ava po Siena 31st edition of Siena le Denver yata mi le nyafe host gbo le New Jersey Jackson ke Thursday alo Monday mikata mi adota Denver ava akpọ efe ya mepe Siena evi okwe ha bobo eve popu Nigeria Togo Benin Ghana toyo onye eve dola alo vegbe dola kata fe ha bobo yo bedeko yo be Siena opa zandudu abeleke mi ha mi edu teza mi edu hogbechocho pleto la fa eya koyo ha ole wowo adogo novi o they are coming from 20 states. They are coming all over 20 states to meet ome one every time once a year you one ye mi atom nya be state o didi chobo ni ogbo ome kona bo ni o eji o kake this is opportunity eke ovana together o ka dina donobo ni o ka opon odina ga oko ina fe vajra fedo to school hall bridge so o wona nuka scholarship so o wona nu vovovo ye ke hia amonutome o wona na Ghana to o wona na Togo to o wona na Benin to o wona na Nigeria to menye Ghana to ko le gajo now o le kona groups ame yo kata megblo ye otu na eduado bedua ple amonutome eke alo vie o katande awodeka le amblera de kate eke ma unsena no miasi la bebe de ka o ma ya unsenle efo mi akowunu na bi adogbene no to de ka vepe a eke ma na adogbena oko na mi akowunu
Yo akpe. De mazama ko ya dugbe na mi pe VDF members yo tele nkonya sele ayame ba ya wala dojilo Siena executive for members of Tail America Canada ya wala dojilo e maga dugbe na fuyemele ho e wala nkonya se ba wala jinya kwa America ta for Steve Close now. I'm a Siena, I'm going to Siena on the next week. I have a formalo. And you strap me va, and you saw like better, and you have a fair.
yeah
I'm a girafero.
mia enu yo mi esron la beta mi cover fe avato afedo e anye afeto Daniel Jegede fe last word be no popo le beta cover fe anye ato afedo afena ingo akpenafo egbe fe dona o ha. Okay, nothing Nupala Todola Top Radio 103.1 FM where Abala Ochi live, Mile transmitted live to 40B Royal Castle Road, Lekokumlemle, Accra, Ghana, and also Egba Mile streaming live le Siena YouTube page, le YouTube. Nenemake Top FM online on YouTube is live. Mile streaming live from Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook is streaming live there, and Mile Kele Radio Hanchi Akpena Todolao ebenya setoa menye abaka wonyo eya tai memie se nyagede yo nya egbefe line up ike me cover amekpekpe toke yo me cover nya to me senya mi na mi afofo awe ne wanyo kemana na nyebe amado le mi akpom le mi ankosem afeto gershon awudi ebe le kwenye live to Accra Ashaman ele mojikplemin Nenamake afeto Amos Akoli ebe authentic mama ayiko yele pleme le Ghana afeto ebe abekwashi ebe authentic mama leke amio bobobo group so wa yo nenele America mekachiji ma WhatsApp nyefe WhatsApp number ma ele WhatsApp 0244 066752 0244 066752 enye number kele WhatsApp the same number ma yata nene yo number ma hana getting elebe ma call another number drenga ken mele ya po yata komeko yata nemi na WhatsApp alumye yo le WhatsApp ji ya I get him ta jichichi de kemelio Bobobo group so katan yo dibe wa take part in the first edition of Bobobo Street Carnival hoa yata anna Mr. Lafman afeto Geoffrey Agbojinshi ebe authentic mama ayiko for Geoffrey ya ile nkonye sem live show Latabi Okoshi le Ayigbe Town, Accra. Okay. Dr. Bernard Gadagui Dr. Bernard Gadagwe, Ellen Konyesem live, Eya Harlem or Jiplimi or High Toll, of my own Bonasiana, Obey Yolan Konyesem, you'll get you ready na Epeyamepe as Nenamake, Nonotoyo Katale Mochi, Reverend Inspector Agbemabia say, any police inspector, le Ashama Police Station, Ele live Plimi, le Miakpom, Afeto David Mauto is a musician, one of the ever musicians, Efonye. Efo David Mauto Eleponye live. Efo Joffrey Eleponye live to Lashibi Accra Lashibi Sister Clenham to Eleponye live to David Vivian Newman Papeme Le Nuka Sprint I think Teshila Fuma Vivian as Ahiamble Eleponye live to Akashi Okatan le live plemi Lolo Lausubo ni matan chlemi katan egbo Madam Benny Setoglo Eleponye live show Ashaman Okatan le mojik plemi akpenami be mi le wanakpo neme yowa mekachicho ke information ya mana na nyebe egben keke ya imemile nupoa wana gande leji yi le country alodo adoyo be Malta la Europe country ama Miss Tourism to tourism ministry wole Malta ocho Ghana ole Malta nukale jojole Malta obe ole celebrating 10th anniversary celebration of the of Ghana High Commission 10 years in Malta eyata Ministry of Tourism to Deputy Minister Peter Mark Okrako play Miss Tourism contestant so alo winners so ekenyento evinyeleme okata o le Malta ay memele no po fifi lai eyo le celebration ganya wo including Winneba Youth Choir okata le Malta le Europe country ma eyo le 10th anniversary of Ghana High Commission wole wo la former celebration ganwonyo wole wo la former mi edibe mi aponuklo kake wo na allegy ita o matan fonuklo egbo ke next week mi afonuklo yo ha mi ase hayada ekema mi akokos amewodeko mi akowona akrati yata mi ase habiadeko mi akokos amewoko ne mi awona anu todolao plenukolao
Yeswa basasa onye babusa matengwa gbeolo
Dala yeswe gomba ya fufu yesase ya yeswa basasa onye babusa matengwa gbeolo
Novio nye yesulo basasa onye babusa matengwa gbeolo
Dala yeswe gomba ya fufu yesase ya yeswa basasa onya babusa matewageo
Awo apusanu viola blanilo
Kristo vio kodija
Novio apusanu viola blanilo
Kristo vio kodija Ya yeswa basasa onya babusa matewageo Dana yeswe bromba, ya popolo die yesasai, na yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu.
Ao nya yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu.
Nana yeswe bromba, ya popolo die yesasai, na yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu.
Nya yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu.
Nana yeswe bromba, ya popolo die yesasai, na yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu.
Usanu viola banilo.
Yesu vio positoe.
Baba, busano viola banilo.
Yesu vio positoe. Na Yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu. Nana yeswe bromba, ya popolo die yesasai, na Yeswa, pasasa onya babu samate wadu.
Baba, busano viola banilo.
Yesu vio positoe.
Baba, busano viola banilo.
Yesu vio kwajijo, Yesu, pasasa onye babu samate wegbeolo. Okay, novinu palao, todolao, akpebe miele tuaji, le authentic mama Claire, Dunenyo Borborbor show, pa in live, ke miele transmitting live to Jackson, New Jersey, Nami, Egbe, ke miele live, le top 103.1, Pavala Oji, le Ghana, le Kokomlimle, Ashvilla, building ame. Nenoma ke miele live, le Siena YouTube page, aji, miele live, le Top FM online on YouTube, also live on Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Akpena mi be miele tuaji, mark the message de Cavado, Nami. Yeah, good evening, watching you live from Ghana. What's your name? Is this Sadiq? Maybe like when you live show Ghana. Okay. Akpena for Sadiq. Nyayi Eya Jing. Eya be. You guys are awesome. You are the best friend anybody can have. Okay. You are always welcome. Okay, coming from Sister Vivian Newman. Okay, you have a great job, Doc Chachu and for Steve. Okay, thank you. Eyabe nya ibubuji osuboy matahlo katan because of time. Ebe mefa, God will bless you for the good work you are doing for Everland. We are proud of you. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Nyayi Bububon. Hey, Abe Dennis, I've been watching you live from North Carnation. Watching you live from North Carnation. Great work. Thank you so much. Apeto Gilbert. Okay. Ebe, great job, Authentic Mama. Thank you so much. Watching you live from North Carnation. Great work. Okay, Dennis Nature. Okay. We go Nyayi Bububon. Hey, Abe. Great job, Dr. Chachu Nyamadi. Okay. Eyabe. Good evening. Watching you live from Ghana. Thank you so much. Sadiq Selassie. Okay. Mark. Eyabe. Okay. Ebe nice show. Thank you so much. Okay. Nya yijikle nobubu mereko. Your only messages. I do messages also on the Authentic Mama fan page. Okay. Medota Flache, Emos are calling Ebe Leponye live show, live and colored from Ghana. Akpene no one Ebe watching live from Agblezan Teshi. Okay, Kelebubwa Okatan. Akpena mi todo la nukwalau afisa afi kemi lekpom Yelankoye Semchia, Authentic Mamaya, Bled Dunenyo Borborbor show. Apeto stayed there, PRO of Sienna, producing me today live from here, and also DJ Classes, Legana Studio, Le Production, Wanam, the Nemake, my small boy, Francis, also my producers, Ola Fumale, Wana Covenami. Mia Eugene, Aho, Enuya Viadeko, Mia Ho, Mia Pecos, the Cavadoko. Ekema mia awu wananu nami mia kokos de cavado ekema po ehako awu wananu nami mana na nyebe Authentic Mama Claire Dunenyo Borborbor wana open kosemnele ayom le 0244 066752 G5 ma now 0244 066752 752 nene yo no bama mi akowo course now atanyo le WhatsApp chi ameyo atanyo le nọba looking at your wanya vakua aton ayo Ghana afiabe plus 233 nanele yo to Ghana director ekema plus 233 akpedon akpenami nukpolao todolao nile wona akponami live ya welechi niele jajado wom na siana fe wona o kakedon kujibe ni ako wona okatan ve na mi le authentic mama fan page na ni yi siana le Denver coming Thursday ni ako wona ve na mi atan yo han le 020 376 9562 020 376 9562 atan yo la line ma hanji enele be ayo director ekema na plus from Ghana na plus 233 akpedanti ene bia yola WhatsApp ha the same makwame vedeko ne nyafo ha awo wona onu na me to the lava fao miawele tojin ke okay ne koso eso minute bla eve mako wona awo wona anu na me minute bla ve ekema ma wo wona anu tamete makobe minute etonde ko makoko America vade ekema mako mamle mapo hanami ela beobe Haji Machua Akayo Bana Haji Machua Akayo Bana Mediba Kayane Kinagba me mi wona jinami mi aka adota town mi akoleke Jackson ble Newark ble New Jersey ble to leke hanle happy mi adota Denver eyata novinu polao Siana members so Kemina Mianyebe, Siana Media Team, we are ever ready, almost ready to interview you and also to let you feel great and big this Siana. We are representing, Siana Media Team is representing live. At a red carpet, anoji 6 o'clock sharp. I mean, you katana vam, your dress code, your appearance and everything. We will be talking about it, welcoming you before you'll be entering the dinner and things like that. Nia will be big. There will be music, allow music for you also. My record, I cover Ghana. Miano popole top TV jenami miano view mia dadao mia dogbenao mia fo yo meka komik poa mia nawa nyebe you are strong and kicking amegbanto le kaji madaku wezo Davi gifty mami madaku yo lemona ready avie bobo ready ademe aha madaku amen 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 okay okay akpe sister Gifty agbojinshi eyocho Accra ohana tanyom le 0244 066752 atanyo le WhatsApp line for mako kata 0244 066752 no pama atan ayo leji adogbene wo lon to alo lekene se programmer ne George nawa anami enu yafa ni akwe abe ebe ilekponye Evers are proud of you authentic mama nka Osompa TV okay obe Evers are proud of you thank you I'm proud to be an Ever as well abesa dekebe nice show thank you bule bubu ole message doda okay akpenami ayom le 0244 066 752 WhatsApp call is accepted mako kata akle alo awe na obe ohana tamponu amegbanto mayo 0244 066752 0244 066 752 Dunenyo Borborbor show pele authentic mama kwen kosem live show Jackson, New Jersey. Afuma wana le cover Trinami Egbe. Ghana Talker Town le mianko sem le top radio 103.1 FM. Pavala oji akpenami todo lava vawo. Be nice show. Ebe efo listen. Okay, ebe nice show. Authentic Mama building Everland. A great one there. Thank you so much for Ellen Konyesem live. Cho Ghana Airport, ebe le konye cho or listening to me live from Ghana Airport. Akpe 0244 066752 0244 066752. Hey, abe good news, bright. Ele konye live from Japan. Ebe yihan le fema le konye live from Japan. Akpe Noble Koku Kukubo Noble Kukubo. I've been watching you live and Khaled from Ghana. Okay, Efonye the chef one. Chef one, thank you so much. Efo Eleponye live to Ghana. AK Kwashi ebe so how okay ya mama gloria bai koko agbedoza sector Joffrey ebe authentic mama eleponye eletoaji akpena authentic mama. Okay, no vitorola ne koso meleva vawa eke mama wu na anu nami apoha awu na anu nami akpena mi torola vavao aleke miedoto hekpo wona onamia. We are so grateful for your time and for tuning in. Ameyokata the top radio 103.1 Le Accra Kokomlemle Ash Villa building ama akpena milomiato mekatijo every Saturday wanna on live nami eyata uma miss authentic mama crowd meleklemi eye nu yo ajo le Siana le Denver next week Thursday from Thursday going Marco Katavenamile authentic mama fan page and also ano miako greetings from abroad Avenamile top TV le Ghana nemevado eyata minami anovio wadogbenami doda adi nuvivio ha doda akovenami akbenami efonye my producers in US efo de Cabeve efo Steve the akpena for your production work. My dear sister, what's the name? Dion. Yeah, Dion is also my producer. She has been producing from morning to now. Dion, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. We love you. And also, Ghana told you the production wanami yewenye the DJ classes. Wow, thank you so much. You do all. The small boy Francis, thank you so much. Okay, Makachiti crowd, Magbo, Akpenami production team. I'm grateful. Oyombe authentic mama MFA. We are playing music to end the show. We have some few minutes more to end, so we play music and end the show. Tanemeka senkonyewa. Ekema next week Saturday. Even from Thursday, things will be coming to you live on Authentic Mama fan page. Here at our Sienna YouTube page, all will be coming. So follow me up. Let's Sienna Azalo. As I say, 2024, 31st edition of Sienna. We are there. See you.
Musique piccolo,
Mande pe pa ye wala, jale
Gato!